Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by searing the chicken to lock flavor. This caramelization builds depth. Once oil is hot, brown the 600 G pieces in batches so they color without steaming. Make sure to remove browned pieces briefly. Then add the chopped onion, 2 cloves garlic, and 1-inch ginger. Sauté until fragrant and translucent because gentle cooking releases sugars and aromatics. Finally, sprinkle 1 tablespoon curry powder and 1 tsp turmeric, and stir 1-2 minutes to toast the spices and amplify their aroma. Once the spices are toasted, deglaze the pan with 150 ml water or stock to lift that fond. Scraping matters because those bits equal flavor. Add a 400 G can of tomatoes and 200 ml coconut milk to create a balanced sauce, acidity from tomatoes versus creaminess from coconut. Return the brown chicken and bring to a gentle simmer. Make sure to cook on low heat for 20-25 minutes so collagen breaks down. The chicken becomes tender, and the sauce reduces to coat the pieces. To finish, taste and balance. Add salt, and if the sauce is sharp, 1 tsp sugar or a squeeze of lime will round it out. For texture, thicken with a 1-2 tablespoon cornstarch slurry mixed into cold water or simmer uncovered 5-10 minutes to reduce. Once done, garnish with cilantro and serve over rice. If things go wrong, like a bland result, don't overcook trying to fix. Instead, add salt in small increments and a fresh acid like lime to lift flavors immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.